Last night, we explained how only 5 hospitals in southern Illinois offer evidence collection kits for sexual assault survivors. Massac Memorial, Hardin County General, SIH Herrin, SIH Memorial of Carbondale, and SSM Health Good Samaritan. Tonight, my co-anchor Brooke Schlyer continues her special report looking into how many patients those hospitals treat.
Well, Mark, I looked into these numbers from the Illinois Department of Public Health. When it comes to adults, last year, those 5 hospitals had 202 patients. SANES offered 191 of them an evidence collection kit. 71% wanted one. You can see that right here, while 29% decided against an evidence collection kit. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the children who went to those 5 hospitals for sexual assault. IDPH defines this as a boy or girl under the age of 13. Of the 75 patients, 66 were offered a kit. 57% went through with an evidence collection kit, while 43% did not want one done. I spoke with Katie Gossett, a SANE SIH. She says state law requires anyone assaulted in the last 7 days to be offered an evidence collection kit. This may be one reason adults have more kits done than children.
They don't tell somebody immediately because they've been groomed for some time or they have been intimidated or threatened. So lots of times the children don't disclose until later on, so they're outside of the time frame.
Evidence collection kits can include photos, survivor statements, hair clippings, nail clippings, and DNA swabs. Now, once finished, those are sent to the Illinois State Police Lab. Some patients choose to have the evidence held, but others, they want it processed as soon as possible. The Survivor Empowerment Center offers victims the choice of having an advocate. Advocates can be there during the kit and help the patient track its progress through the ISP website.
Be proactive if you're the survivor. You know, as far as tracking it through their computer system, you may not hear back, So you've got to be the one to take the steps necessary to check on that. I think they've been trying to improve that.
If the survivor wants the kit processed, Illinois State Police must do that within 180 days. The number of sexual assault victims in southern Illinois might be much higher than the 277 adults and children the state reported. That's because those numbers, again, are only coming from those 5 treatment hospitals in the region. Transfer hospitals do not have to report their numbers. And tomorrow night, we'll conclude this special report. We'll look at local resources for sexual assault survivors and the services that they offer. You can watch that story right here on News 3 at 6. But for now, Mark, back to you at the desk.
Thank you, Brooke.